Do you have any idea why a mosque would give a woman formula for her baby when Christian churches said no? I'll explain to you now. The mosque, the Muslim people within the mosque, follow two orders of scripture. And in that, Muhammad says, "Thy neighbor shall not go hungry while I go to bed with a full stomach." That's number one reason. That's a key element because when the mosque was asked, "Can I please have some food for my baby?" they could have easily thought it was a scam, but chose to have faith in the individual and gave the formula to the woman. The Christian churches were asked the very same question and were assuming that that person was scamming, and they rejected. The second reason, which is going to upset a lot of you, is that it appears to me that the Muslims, as well as the Quran and Hassad, actually seems to operate closer to what Jesus would do than what Christians would do, which makes sense considering Jesus was born in the Middle East. So the belief that you're going to help your fellow man, regardless of whether or not they're lying or not, because you're just doing the right thing because it's the right thing, seems to set pretty hard in this. Why was it that a dozen Christian churches said no to giving a woman formula for a baby, but a mosque, the Muslims, who so many people have vilified and demonized, were given the chance and they stood and gave the woman the food that she needed? Perhaps maybe we don't understand Muslims as best as we could, and perhaps the Christians are getting more of a benefit of the doubt than they